Hello, students. Today, we are going to look at acid-base indicator. Acid-base indicator. Acid-base indicator. All right? We are going to look at how the indicators respond to the presence of acid, neutral, and base. So here we have the indicators. Here is the indicator. Here we have acid. We have neutral. Here we have base. All right. Now, what are we going to discuss here? Basically, we are going to look at the color change of the following indicators we are going to list here on the acid, neutral, and base. Now, the first indicator we are going to list here is litmus paper. Litmus paper. We have red litmus paper. We have blue litmus paper. We have the red litmus paper and the blue litmus paper. All right? Then the next one here is methyl orange. Methyl orange. All right? The next we have here is methyl red. Methyl red. All right? Then the last we have here is phenolphthalein. 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 Okay? Here are the indicators. The acid, the neutral, and base. Let's see how these following indicators respond to acid, neutral, and base. All right? We have 4 indicators here on the board. Litmus paper. I told you we have the red litmus paper and the blue litmus paper. We use the blue litmus paper on acid. All right? Acid turns the blue litmus paper to red. All right? Acid turns blue litmus paper to red. All right? Down here in the neutral, both the red and the blue litmus paper on the neutral turns to purple. They turns to purple. Okay? Then we use the red litmus paper on base, and base turns the red litmus paper to blue. Base turns red litmus paper to blue. Acid turns blue litmus paper to red. Base turns red litmus paper to blue. Now, both the red and the blue litmus paper on neutral entity, they turns to purple. Now, methyl orange on acid turns to pink. Methyl orange on acid turns to pink. Methyl red on acid turns to pink. All right? Methyl orange on acid turns to pink. Methyl red on acid turns to pink. The two, both the methyl orange and methyl red here, turns to yellow. The two turns to yellow. Please don't play with this video. All right. Now, the methyl orange on neutral turns to orange. The methyl red on neutral turns to red. All right. They turn to their color, orange and red on the neutral. All right. The two turns to pink on acid and the two turns to yellow on base. Now we have phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein on acid is colorless. Phenolphthalein on neutral is colorless. Then phenolphthalein on base takes the color of methyl orange and methyl red on acid, which is pink. I hope you understand. All right? This is the simplest way to make you understand the concept of the color change of the following indicators on the acid, neutral, and base. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless you.